Hi everyone, welcome to Be Natural with me. First of all, please subscribe if you haven't. Today I'm going to share with you a quick face pack. It is super easy and it's super effective. All you need is just two ingredients, fresh milk and beetroot. You can use I use powder one because it's convenient, it's easy, simple, but you can also use the fresh as well. So you just need, so what I do is I buy from Trader Joe's and I just grind these, there's kind of like a chips, beetroot chips. I just grind them in my bulletproof, the grinder, and just mix the powder as much as you need. Probably, I think I just use about 1 tablespoon with some enough milk and make it a paste and then just apply it on your face. And just I put it everywhere because it's anti-aging. It helps to brighten up your face. It's good for even for eyes, for dark circles. So I just put it literally everywhere. I just put under my eyes, on my eyelids, everywhere. So just cover your entire face. It has so many benefits. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps with wrinkles. It's super effective, and it's very convenient if you have the powder. But if you want to use the fresh beetroot, that's you just have to just make juice out of it, and then you can just mix it with, instead of milk, because it'll be too running, you can mix it with some type of powder. It could be milk powder if you have it, or you can use chickpea powder or rice powder, any type of powder. But anyways, I kind of look scary there. So here we go. So I left it on for about 20 minutes while I was relaxing. And that's it. Wash it off and you will love it. Thank you for spending your time with me, and please subscribe.